Good morning, my fellow adventurers. It's getting started off a little bit earlier than normal because I'm gonna head up to Fishlake National Forest. Try a new trail I haven't been to. It's supposed to be some beautiful blue lakes. This one is the trail. It's Mud Lake to Blue Lake, and I want to invite you guys along with me. It's going to be a lot cooler up there, and but I'm looking forward to it. So, want to take you guys along with me. Let's get rolling. Finally made it here to the trailhead. So Mud Lake is right here behind me. See it? Oh, it looks a little low. It definitely looks. Gives a good name. The trailhead is behind me, and we're gonna get started. The scenery up here is beautiful. Just you guys come up here to Beaver, Fishlake National Forest to this trail. So there's a couple access points to go to Blue Lake. But this one's from Mud Lake to Blue Lake, and it's supposed to be, I think, like 8.1 miles out and back. So I'm gonna get loaded up and get started. Really looking forward to this one. This is a new one for me, but beautiful fall weather here. Beautiful foliage, the trees, aspens changing up here. But we're gonna get started and see what this trail has to offer, guys. Shelly Baldy Peak right there. It's a little over 11,000 feet. And then over there. Down there where I'm going. Blue Lake. See it? Beautiful. Over there. Yep. Right there. That's Blue Lake. Can't wait to get down there and see what it's like. Gorgeous. It would suck one of those big boulders cracked and fell down when I'm walking across this right now. Tuck and roll. Oh man. Rocky. Berries those are, but what goes up. Not there quite yet, but there's Blue Lake down there. Looking pretty. Look at that. Beautiful views. Crystal clear water down there now. She is. Blue Lake. Made it. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Tell these water levels once were. Look at that erosion. How high they came all the way up here where I'm standing. Thankful I get to come out here. Look at these. Look at that fall foliage. Alright, look at that. Huh? Made it to Blue Lake. Gorgeous. I think they said it's only like has a depth of 60 feet, I believe. So it's not that deep. And of course, it's not that big of a lake. But look at these views. The fall foliage. Guys, this is an awesome hike. I cannot recommend this hike enough. A bit rocky, ups and downs. But yeah, I mean, look at these. Come on. Can't trade those views for anything. I'm gonna sit down and eat some lunch and then enjoy these views for a little bit more and start heading back to the car. Some lunch. Can't beat that view, guys. Actually, I have some horses over here. Awesome. There's horse tracks on the trail. I think they would be down here though. Beautiful day. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, so eat lunch, heading back. So we will see what the total mileage is in time when I get back. But I'll be able to make up some better time on the return trip. So I'm gonna skedaddle and see you guys at the finish line. What's going on? Just like that, I just got back. That incline, the incline on the way back, I saw some trail notes on All Trails about that, and yeah, it is no joke. It's, man, I took more breaks on the way back. I still made better time because I didn't stop and film anything, but man, that was hard. I'll admit, that's some elevation on the way back. And it was good though. It was good. I loved it. Total distance was about 9.14 miles. And great hike. I would totally recommend this. I think probably next month up till October, this area might still be open, but because of the high elevation up here in Fishlake National Forest here in Beaver, they get a lot of snow. They'll get snow up here early, and sometimes they usually get, and they close off these Forest Service roads. So if you're going to come up here, probably October would be your best bet. I love this. This is a gorgeous place, gorgeous hike. I've never done this before, as I mentioned, but hope you guys like this one, and you guys come out here, enjoy this beautiful nature. But until next time, just remember, get out there, create some memories, and most of all, have fun. Smile. Cheers, guys.